To clean your iMOW, wake it by pressing the OK button. Then lock it by pressing the stop button for approximately 5 seconds. This will disable the iMOW so you can clean it. Next, remove the iMOW from the docking station and place it on a firm, level surface. To clean the housing of the iMOW or the docking station, use a damp cloth to remove dirt. You can also use STIHL Multiclean and a microfiber cloth to remove thicker dirt on the housing and prevent damage to the iMOW's polymer casing. Do not use corrosive cleaning agents or leave the iMOW under flowing water. You cannot use a pressure washer to clean the iMOW either. These methods can all cause damage to the iMOW electronics and motor. To clean the blades on an iMOW, first, lean it on its right or left hand side against a stable wall. Remove coarse dirt with a brush and dismantle the mowing blade and driving disc to reach all the parts. To remove the mowing blade, press the tabs on the driving disc with one hand while undoing the fixing nut with the other. The mowing blade should be changed after every 200 operating hours. Never sharpen a blunt mowing blade. Instead, you should replace it with a new one. The iMOW can only mow properly, quietly, and produce a perfectly mown lawn with a sharp blade. You can also use STIHL Multiclean to clean the mowing blade. Spray it with Multiclean and leave it for a maximum of 5 minutes. Then using a brush, clean it thoroughly to remove any residual dirt and then wipe it down with a damp cloth. STIHL Multiclean, a microfiber cloth, and a cleaning brush are all available as part of our Care and Clean kit, which has been designed specifically for iMOW and other lawn mowers. This is available separately from STIHL approved dealers. Once you have cleaned the driving disc and the mowing blade of debris, mount them back on the mower. Push the driving disc onto the blade shaft and then place the mowing blade and fixing nut onto the driving disc. Tighten the fixing nut until you hear it click several times. Then check that the mowing blade is correctly mounted. Put the iMOW back into its docking station once it has been cleaned and wake it up by pressing OK. If you have performed a mowing blade change, confirm the blade replacement in the service menu. If you do not plan to use your iMOW for an extended period of time, such as over winter, you must fully charge the iMOW battery, switch off the automatic mowing system, and set the iMOW to its highest security level. Dependent on your iMOW model, you can also set it to hibernation mode. The mower should then be stored in a secure dry place, such as a garage. The docking station can remain in the garden over winter and does not need to be removed, but the power cable should be disconnected from the mains and the docking station during the period when it is not in use. In extreme weather, you can cover the docking station if you wish to with a secure storage box or similar. All STIHL iMOW robotic mowers come with a 5-year extended warranty, subject to annual servicing. Visit your nearest STIHL approved dealer to find out about servicing options. For more information on iMOW, visit imow.co.uk.